Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi. I'm your Ma'alif bin Amran, matric number 01BMS 19FT027. So I will present about implementation of storage rack for improvement on storage management. So project description: build rack exists material storage and existing material, so the material can be placed in available place where they can be stored in organized and safe manner. And then problem statement, to minimize space raw material storage area and no proper separation of exist raw material and the new one. And then this time to mix up the exist material and new raw material. And then always have problem with the quantity of raw material stored in various type. So for the objective, to study a new racking system, overcome the problem with stock count, and then to fabricate the new rack that can help to separate exist raw material and unused material, and then to analyze the error rate in stock counting using the racking system. So for the scope, this project will be conducted at the TGEW F39DD at storage workshop, and then to accept the design, then identify the design whether the material used are suitable, and then determine whether the purchase material or used exist material, and then to fabricate the rack for use in factory. So this is a design I received from my mentor or my engineer. So design description: storage rack for exist long type raw material and exist material plate. There are two sections for this storage rack. The first section is for exist long type material such shaft, bar, tube and pipe. The second section is for the plate exist material. So the material used for rack fabricate, my steel or stainless steel hollow square, and then angle bar, and my steel or stainless steel plate. So this is stock count system. So material counting is done every day and will be update to the system to identify the material to implement the project. So next, costing planning. So costing planning total at 8500. So if not using material, so will be purchase order material. So for the material planning, for material prefer as this project material, they can still be used to fabricate because can cutting cost in fabrication process. And then for the main material used was my steel, because most of the rack in storage TGEW at F39 using my steel, and some part can mix up with stainless steel. And then for racking is possible using my steel because the material placed on racking are not too heavy and just for temporary material. So this is literature review. This is racking at F39DD. And then literature review content this to identify and to research about material using for racking. And then methodology: first start and then brief about the current problem, generate idea for the design for storage rack, create design for project, and then solution stable. And then if yes, start fabrication. If no, will create design for project again. So methodology: qualitative method, observation, and then focus group. So observation, record things seen, hear or found in note, and then interview employees and staff in person, asking people question in one-on-one conversation. And then focus group, asking question and generating discussion among a group of employees. So this is result and discussion. Before fabricate racking, and then total raw material 2, and then have error 3, and then the percentage is 85%. So after fabricate rack, total raw material 19, and then total error is 0. So for the percentage 100% error, no error. So this available area planning. Before start designing, the measurement is taken, and then racking design dimension is based on the available space area. So the storage rack will be placed upfront a bit so that the cake can still fully open. So this is racking progress for my project. And then conclusion. In conclusion, this project I learned on how to be more critical think and generating idea on solving problem. Then I able to increase my skill in improvement and management. I learned a lot of new machine on work scope, especially in mechanical engineering, which is a good improvement for me with the work scope of a train who can learn a lot of things, especially in the improvement work area. Okay, lastly, I learned a lot on project management throughout this training, which helped me to manage time management and improve my communication skill. So that's all for me. Thank you.